Section 5.1, number 9, was giving some students trouble, and I wanted to kind of show two different ways that you could approach this problem. They both, of course, give you the same answer. One way is to start with what we call the flip rule. So in other words, take everything that has a negative exponent and move it between the numerator and denominator. And you can do this because you have all multiplication and division. So for instance, that a to the sixth in the numerator would go to the denominator. The b to the fourth would stay put. In the denominator you have an a to the fourth that would stay put, and you have a b to the negative 2 that would go to the numerator and become b squared. 5 over 15 reduces to 1/3. That hasn't changed. I saw a couple of tens or the equivalent number. Fractions still reduce in the same way. It's only the exponents that you would apply a subtraction rule to. But here it's b to the fourth times b squared. That's b to the sixth. And a to the fourth times a to the sixth. Add those exponents and get a to the 10th. Now another way to approach that same problem would be to do the quotient rule. So you could start out with your 5 over 15 and take a to the negative 6 minus 4. If you do negative 6 minus 4, you get negative 10, and so you can write a to the negative 10 here. And if you take 4, take away negative 2, you get 6, and so it will be b to the sixth in the numerator. To finish this, you still have to do the flip rule at the end. That a to the negative 10th goes to the denominator and becomes a to the positive 10th. b to the sixth stays put, and 5 over 15 reduces to 1/3, the same as before. So as long as you do the rules correctly, you can do them in any order. So don't be afraid to get started. And for this particular problem, both the flip rule and the quotient rule are good ways to start.